Suno just released version 4 of its AI song generator model for Pro and Premiere users, which brings improved audio, better song lyric customization, as well as song structure, along with the ability to remaster and upscale existing songs. I'm going to tell you all about it in this video. But the big question is, did they really improve the vocal quality? And is this update the best change ever? I will answer those questions later in the video. To create a song from scratch using the new model, navigate to the Create tab. You'll want to make sure that you've selected version 4. At the top, next to the Upload Audio button, click the toggle and you can cycle between version 3.5, which is the previous version, and version 4. In the lyric prompt box, you can still add your own lyrics, but if you're looking for Suno to generate lyrics, some of the options have changed. Previously, you only had the Surprise Me option, which you would just click a button and then it would just auto-generate for you. But it didn't provide much customization. Now the default option is to Write with Suno. This is a clickable button where you can now give some direction on what kind of lyrics you want Suno to generate. You can specify a theme or a particular topic. And of course, you still have the Surprise Me button if you want to use it, but right next to it, there's now a new lyric model that you can select, which Suno claims is its most creative model yet. Once you've provided some direction and you've selected the lyric model, all you have to do is click on Write Lyrics. The style of music hasn't changed. It functions the same way as the previous version. And I won't get into personas because I made a previous video all about that. If you're interested in learning more about personas, I have a card popping up. All that has to be done now is just simply to click the Create button as usual. Let me play you what Suno put together. This one's the first version.
From the moonlit nights of the Far East to the starlit ones of the near, there's something in the air that prepares the return of a special time of year. The wind and rain begin to wane. The spirit begins to stir. Snow envelops the landscape, thus provoking the season known as winter. Winter.
Let me play you the second version.
From the moonlit nights of the Far East to the starlit ones of the near, there's something in the air that prepares the return of a special time of year. The wind and rain begin to wane. The spirit begins to stir. Snow envelops the landscape, thus provoking the season known as winter.
First impressions, still hearing that echo or that fuzziness. This was an EDM type of song. I'm going to create another one, which is a rock genre. Here's what Suno put together. This is the first one.
I'm inspired. Look at this. Look at this. Just like usual. I don't know what town I'm in. Those cool midnight streets could be anywhere at all. It could be Aberdeen. Look at me now. Could be New Orleans.
can definitely hear some improvement in the song structure. I love the fact that there's background vocals. It's not something that I had to prompt Suno to do. Let's listen to the second version.
I am inspired. Crying. Look at this. Look at this. Just like usual. I don't know what town I'm in. Those cruel midnight streets could be anywhere at all. It could be Aberdeen. Look at me now. Could be New Orleans. Could be anywhere at all. Just like usual. It's true. Could be my location. Could be my daydream. Row. Row. Row your boat. Find yourself a big brown coat. We're hanging upside down when we're waiting in day.
So another excellent example, but still getting that fuzzy vocal. I put the new model to the test and created a song with a solo female vocalist. Let me play that for you.
Do you hear my call? Time slows to a stop. Past the great flaming towers. Hear my call for the one that wanders still. Into the town, wandering alone. Into a new day's dance of great tomorrows. But still I wonder and wonder who will take me there. Cause I'm overloaded with a random chance. I was almost his. These thoughts fill my head instead of the one for whom I packed up and left. The one I came with and almost fell with. Still I climb higher, the land didn't fall. Climbing higher, the love lost into clouds. Fog is so dense. Do you hear me now? Do you hear my call now? For the one who lingers still.
This one was a lot better than the previous two examples. I'm curious to see what the second version is like. Let's play that.
Do you hear my call? Time slows to a stop. Past the great flaming towers. Hear my call for the one that wanders still. Into the town, wandering alone. Into a new day's dance of great tomorrows. But still I wonder and wonder who will take me there. Cause I'm overloaded with thorns, random stays. These thoughts fill my head instead of the one for whom I packed up and left. The one I came with and almost fell with. Still I climb higher, the land didn't fall. Climbing higher, the
Similar result to the first version. You're going to have to create a few generations of songs in order to get the vocal that you want, so this is something to keep in mind. Let me show you how to remaster and upscale your existing songs. In your library, find the song that you want to upscale, click the three dots, hover over Create, and you're going to see a remaster option. Click on that, Suno will start doing its thing, it'll start upscaling the song with the version 4 model, and it'll automatically add it to your library. I took 3 of my favorite songs and remastered them. Let me play them for you. Here's the first one, which is a funk song. This was created using the previous 3.5 model.
Where the planets down, there's a rhythm so funky it turns the world around. We're talking about the P-Funk, the mothership connection, where the bassline's so thick it demands your full attention. Oh, 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 the funkadelic way. We're gonna funk you up in the cosmic play. From the mothership to your soul, we're gonna take you high. With the P-Funk groove, we're gonna touch the sky. Sister moves, she dances, she sway. But the sun, he's jamming, making night turn into day. With Footsie on the bass.
Let me play you the remastered version using the version 4 model.
Where the planets get down, there's a rhythm so funky it turns the world around. We're talking about the P-Funk, the mothership connection, where the bass line's so thick it demands your full attention. Oh, 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 the funkadelic way, we're gonna funk you up in the cosmic play. From the mothership to your soul, we're gonna take you high with the P-Funk groove. We're gonna touch Sister Moon, she's dancing, she's got that funk in her sway. Brother Sun, he's jamming, making night turn into day. With Footsie on the bass and the horns hitting right.
There's a clear distinction in the vocal, for me at least. I can hear that on this remastered version, it sounds a lot more crisp and a lot more clear, and I like the fact that it's a much needed improvement. Here's a hip-hop song that I created using the previous model, 3.5.
Yo, check it, I'm feeling like 94. Fresh kicks, baggy jeans and more. Got the boombox blasting on the corner store. Rhyme so fly, you best believe I saw. Peace to the Wu-Tang in the tribe. Dropping knowledge, taking it worldwide. No digital, just vinyl we ride. Keeping it real, not just for the hype. Back in the day, when hip-hop was raw. Not about the bling, but the law of the streets, what beats me. Back in the 90s, where we greet. Remember when you spit just to prove a point. Not for the fame, but to anoint the culture. With stories from the joint, life lessons, no need for a coin. Biggie's flow, Pac's passion, Snoop's laid back, we all cashin'. On tracks that last, not just passing. Through the era where beats were classic. From the underground to the mainstream, the 90s scene was more than a dream. It was our reality, our supreme, where every rhyme had a real theme. Freestyle battles on the...
Here's the remastered version with version 4.
Yo, check it, I'm feeling like 94. Fresh kicks, baggy jeans and more. Got the boombox blasting on the corner store. Rhyme so fly, you best believe I saw. Peace to the Wu-Tang in the tribe. Dropping knowledge, taking it worldwide. No digital, just vinyl we ride. Keeping it real, not just for the hype. Back in the day, when hip-hop was raw. Not about the bling, but the law of the streets, where beats meet. Back in the 90s, where we greet. Remember when you spit just to prove a point. Not for the fame, but to anoint the culture. With stories from the joint, life lessons, no need for a coin. Biggie's flow, Pac's passion, Snoop's laid back, we all cash in. On tracks that last, not just passing. Through the era where beats were classic. From the underground to the mainstream, the 90s scene was more than a dream. It was our reality, our supreme, where every rhyme had a real theme. Freestyle battles on...
While the vocal is definitely improved, I actually prefer the version made with 3.5. To me, in my ears, sonically, I just feel it sounds better, so that's interesting. This one's a progressive rock song that I previously created with version 3.5. Here's the remastered version. Sonically, I like the second version better. I'm curious to know what you think. Suno has been making progress, and I love that they're always striving to improve their platform. But bringing it back to the beginning of the video, is version 4 the best change ever? And has the vocal quality improved? Yes and no. I love the improvement to customizing lyrics with more clarity. Some of the songs have improved structure, where there's additional vocalists, along with more pauses and vibrant melodies. Yet while the vocals have improved in some cases, it's very hit or miss. To really get good vocals, you have to create a lot of song generations in order to get it right. This ultimately leaves you wasting more credits to continuously generate songs to get the results that you want. Suno will continue to improve things over time, and when they do, I'll make a video about it to share with you. If you got value out of this video, consider subscribing to my channel. And if you're interested in exploring more creative AI tools, check out the videos popping up here.